Beetlejuice. Beetlejuice. Beetlejuice.
It's showtime.
Welcome back to my channel. I just can't wait to get into this look. So stay tuned while we get started. So to start off with, I am going to use this white face paint that I got from Iparty, and I'm just using a Real Technique brush. Honestly, you can use any brush that you want. So once you get your base on, you kind of really just want to blend it. This beauty blender is not like a real beauty blender, so I'm just kind of going with it. So next I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution white foundation base. Again, I'm really trying to go for this kind of dead pale look. So the more foundation that I can put on, the better. So you really just want to kind of put this everywhere. It gets a little messy, but it's really not that bad. So I'm going to take my MAC Fluid line, this is in Black Track, and I'm literally going to use this to make my eyebrows. And honestly, I watched a few Halloween videos and they're like, oh, we're going deep black, so I went deep black on my eyebrows. They came out pretty fleeky to me, so definitely you want something that's going to be just jet black. To use the foundation base, and I'm just going to put a little bit in my eyebrows. I kind of want, like, you know, a deadly, you know, gray hair type of look. When I look at the picture of Beetlejuice, he definitely has white in his eyebrows, so I was trying my best to, you know, look like Beetlejuice. Taking my Morphe 35B palette. I'm going to start off with this deep purple right here, and then I'm going to use this lavender. I am going to use my Morphe M504 brush. I really found that this brush was really easy when it's to pack on color. Like, I was a little nervous about how I was going to get all the purple on my eyes, but I really think this brush did me justice. So next I'm taking that lavender color and I'm using my M441 brush. This is really going to pack in that color that I want to see. It's funny because it looks darker here, but for some reason, I don't know why. I think it's supposed to be this dark. I don't know. But I found that I wanted to make sure the creases of my eye were really dark, and then the outer corner of my eyes had a little bit more light so that you can see the intensity in my eyes. So for a more bruised look, I'm taking this pink and I'm going over my crease and my entire lid. I felt as though with bruises you have different variations of purple, so I definitely want to make sure that the pink kind of popped and made pop. So next I'm going to take the white foundation base. I'm using this as a base for my eyeshadow, and the eyeshadow that I am using is that shimmery deep purple, which is underneath the deep purple that I originally used. I don't want to confuse you all, but it definitely is in there. The problem is sometimes our eyeshadow doesn't show up as much, so I think the white actually helped. So I am going to start using white base now for my eyeshadow. Right now I'm just going back in with my Morphe M441 brush and I'm just applying some more purple, kind of touching this area up, and then I am going to use just a regular eyeshadow brush to kind of give that deep hazy dead look around the eyes. So next next I'm going to take this white color here in my matte 221S brush, and I'm going to add a little bit of white in my eyes. I found this to be a little bit more sparkly, and even though I'm dead, we can have some glamour, okay? We can have some glamour. So now I'm going to just take this pink color and just add this in the crease of my eyes. I felt that this added a little bit of variation to this bruisey eye look, dead look that I have going on. So next I'm going to take my Elizabeth and James and my BB City Sweat Finishing Spray. This is a dry shampoo. The finishing spray, I don't know, but both of them made my hair look white. Please be careful with this because it actually is a lot of fumes, and it dries your hair out. So next I'm taking this green cream and I'm just going to apply this on my hairline. I did originally have green hairspray, but come to find out it was actually glow in the dark. So you just want to really just put this in your hair. When you think of Beetlejuice, you think of dead, and the picture that I went off of really just kind of, you know, it was just Beetlejuice, man. I just want to be Beetlejuice. So it's so funny, like, that I actually started looking like Beetlejuice. So I was really feeling happy at this moment, which is why you see me smirk. But I'm lining my eyes with my Tarte's eyeliner, and I'm just going to start with the dead skin. So I am using liquid latex. This will eventually dry on the skin, so definitely be careful around the hairline. And then I just apply my tissue. So we're gonna start making a mess right now. So now I'm just going to take that green cream and I'm just going to put it over the tissue paper. So again, we're working with dead skin. So, you know, Beetlejuice, he has all that green, dead, bacteria skin around his face. So I just really wanted to make my face look as dead as it could be. So this actually came out pretty good, and I would say let the tissue dry a little bit first. So next I'm going to take the black in the palette and kind of just pat it around the green areas to kind of give more effect to it. So now I'm adding a little bit of the white base underneath my eyes because this is going to highlight the eyes and bring them a little bit more forward. So even though I didn't want to go glam, I did add in some Ardell Wispy lashes to kind of, you know, make me look a little cute. And if you look at the lashes, they were still white. I just going with the theme. I'm just going with it. Right now, I'm just kind of touching up my face, making sure that the green is where it needs to be, the black is where it needs to be. So I'm just adding a few final touches with the black around my mouth to make my mouth look really nasty. And here we go. Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice. I hope you all like this look. Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to comment. Stay tuned to the end to see some bloopers.
I am for the video. And this video is going to be about how I twist my hair out. Girl. What the hell is going on? I thought that you was spraying water and she was like, I don't know, God, shut up.
Don't die from this.